Hello everyone, welcome back to Impressive Intelligent Technique YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to acquire and assign free E5 trial license. To do that, let's move to Office 365 admin portal and go to the billings tab. Now go to the search option and write E5, press enter. It will come up with the details of all available E5 with and without various add-on licenses. There is this one with e-discovery and audit, there is this without audio conferencing, and there is E5. Whatever you want, click on details. Here select free trial to move to the next page and acquire the license. So this come up with whatever you've ordered E5 with e-discovery and audit. To get it, click try now option. Let's wait while it is taking you to the next page. So here it came up with an order receipt. It is giving you an order ID and the details of what you try to order. There is this E5 with e-discovery. To continue, press the continue tab. So as soon as you press the continue tab, it will continue to process your order. So here your order is placed. To check that, go to the billings option. Under licenses, you will see your license will start showing. See, we have got the E5 e-discovery and audit license. Currently this is not assigned to anyone, hence under names there is nothing showing. To assign this to any user, let's navigate to users, go to active users and select the user for which you want to assign this license, and then move to the licenses and apps tab. You will see this E5. Just select the checkbox and save the changes. This is start signing the license to the user. So once it is done, the license will be assigned. To verify that, go back to the billings option, navigate under licenses, open the E5 license. See, your user details are started showing in here. For this user, you assigned one of the 25 free license. Thank you very much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel.